Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a hair sketch of a girl. Begin by lightly sketching the head and establishing the hairline. Think about the hair's general shape and how it frames the face. Use broad, sweeping strokes to capture the main volume and flow. This initial step is crucial for setting up the hair's natural movement and ensuring it looks integrated with the head, not just placed on top. Now, let's add more definition to the hair's flow. Pay close attention to how hair naturally falls and curves. Start drawing individual strands, following the overall direction you established. Use a slightly darker pencil for these details, but keep your lines fluid. Remember, hair isn't a solid block. It's made of many strands, so varying your line weight will add realism and depth to your sketch. To give your hair sketch volume, we need to introduce shading. First, decide where your light source is coming from. This will help you identify the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows. Use soft, layered strokes to build up the darker areas and leave some parts untouched for highlights. Blending or cross-hatching can create a beautiful, realistic texture, making the hair appear full and dynamic. Finally, it's time for refinement and those crucial finishing touches. Add a few delicate flyaway hairs around the edges to make the sketch feel more natural and less rigid. Darken some of the deeper shadows and the areas where hair overlaps to boost contrast. Step back and assess your work. Ensure the hair looks balanced and flows organically. These small details elevate your sketch significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.